Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Tuesday 7th of June. And yesterday there was a pump that I did talk about. The pump happened, but then again, the technical target nearly got met right over here. So you're seeing that technical target almost met. And then what you did instead on the 4-hour time frame, you start to make a reversal pattern. Do you see that? This was the reversal, and then you start to move to the downside ever since. So it's like every single thing goes step by step, okay? You break out of this, some sort of a descending triangle, and you can see the apex was coming in. You break out of it, you go to where you form it, and then once that is happened, when you do the meet the technical target, right, from where you're breaking out, then you make the reversal, and now you start to move to the downside. Basically, what I want to say here now is that this could be the start of trouble for SLP, and this could be the time that maybe finally you do get to see SLP dropping massively in the next coming few days. It's possible. So what's the scenario to save the day? The scenario to save the day is, by all means and by all cost, you really have to come up here and break this level, which is going to be the 557 or the 550 level, and hold above it to start to make its movement to the 622. Why? The reason is very simple. You are once again trying to lose the parallel channel, okay? So if by any mean, now previously you did lose it, but you still made the move to the upside. You lost it here, you still end up moving to the upside. So what I'm going to say, or what I should be doing here instead, is just pull this a little bit, push it to the downside just like that. And it seems like you're in that zone where it's a little bit safe, okay? It's a little bit safe. So right now, one touch, second touch right over there, and you're looking for another potential touch right over here, and maybe continue like this and start moving to the upside, because you are at the support level. It's okay now. But the issue is, if you end up losing this support, what is going to happen next? You're looking for SLP to basically take you down to a technical target that I'm about to show you right now. And by the way, guys, this will be to me nothing more than just a huge bearish rectangle, and I talked about the bearish rectangle previously. So when you're coming down like this and you start to move to the sideways, you make a rectangle like that one, and you break to the downside. All of this thing is just a continuation pattern, and it means that the SLP is going to fall just the way you fall from here. You continue the same distance to go down there as well. So right now you still haven't, but the thing is that you're still holding support, and as long as you're holding support, you support the coin, okay? That's the agenda of the game. So if by any chance in the next coming few days you completely lose this level, go to the 471, back test the 490s, and you start to lose and make the kiss of death, the first technical target that would be actually very safe to say for SLP would be from there to there, and this will take you down here to the 396, and that would cause you to lose the all-time low as well, which was previously here, and that would cause it to even maybe dump to the downside. There could be a reversal wave that could be created as well. So if I take this bottom to the top, impulsive move, we can lay down the fib retracement and also see how low you're going to go. So from there to there, come down here, you're already losing the 0.618. So far to me, it seems like you could come down to the 491, and if you do come down to the 491, guys, then that's a very clear loss of support right over there. Do you see that? You're going to be losing this trend line 1, 2, 3. Now if you do lose it, come to the 491. Closing below this line here is what could cause trouble. I mean, coming up a little bit to the 499 and not crossing it, and instead it starts to roll over, you're going to see this thing go way more down. So that's it for today's update, guys. It's all about holding this level. Lose this level and closing below it is going to be huge problem. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.